From time to time, your customers may ask you to resend them their receipt email messages. For example, a customer may have accidentally deleted the original receipt. To resend a customer's receipt email message, first look up the order's details. There are a number of different search criteria you can use, but for this video, we'll paste in the customer's order reference. When you resend the message, it will be sent to the email address shown in the customer section of this page. Scroll down to the emails section of the page and locate the email message you want to resend. In this case, the successful order default order receipt. Click to select it. Finally, click the resend button and the receipt will be resent. That's all it takes.